Hello guys, I'm Krishna and today I welcome you all on behalf of CSI Chapter 3 Code of Vit-Ap University, and today we'll take a look at a Java topic which is data type and data type conversion. So basically there are few data types in Java. Let's say these are byte. Before byte, let me write down boolean, and okay, there is dot, int, long, float, and double. So these are basic data types in Java. So what is boolean? How much memory it takes? Boolean, it takes 1 bit. A byte takes 8 bits of memory. Bit of memory. Float takes 16 bits of memory. And integer, it takes 32 bits. Long, it takes 64 bits of memory. Let me just write it down because it's basically numbers and you might find them on the internet also. So these are some data types, and if we look at it, boolean, it is the smallest data type, and byte is greater than boolean, float is greater than byte and boolean. So this is hierarchy of these data types. So if we look at an example, let me create a main function, and over here let me just, for example, define a double. Let's say we name our variable as data, and let me just enter some numbers. So this is double data type, and if I do is int, and let's say value is equal to data, so it won't be possible. Why? Because in Java there are some rules to code in Java. We cannot convert from bigger data type to a smaller data type. Like double is uppermost in hierarchy, and integer, it is smaller than double. So we can't change it like this. And now what if I just wanted to like convert it into integer? I don't want to I don't want my code to throw an error to me, or I just want to do it somehow. So there is a concept called typecasting. We made a video for it. I am just telling you again. So here we have to do is int, let's say value is equal to, and within parentheses we have to write int, and after that we have to write data, because we want to convert data to integer. It goes like this. So if we just take a minute, try to figure out what should be the output for this line of code, give a 5 seconds to pause the video and answer in the comment section. So let's take a look at the output. It is 7387. Why is it 7387? What typecasting does is it prints, here we are converting it into integer. Data is double, which is 7387.732. But if we take a close look at it, we can write it as 7387 plus 0.732. We can write it like this. So what it does is, what our code does, it just prints this integer value, which is 7387, and it ignores 0.732 when we typecast into integer. So I hope it is clear to you guys. If not, you can still rewind the video, go back, and if you still have any doubt, So you can just post it in the comment section. We'll take a look at it and try to solve your query and out. That's it for today, guys. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.